So now I'm gonna explain about a coding that can change the capital letters words into small letters A, B, C, and other else. And this is the output of it. The last Saturday, you can see that last Saturday the capital letter becomes from the original capital letter becomes the small letters, and yes, the comma and period, it will be gone as well. So let us take a look. And here is this class is called function, and the variables are public string output and public integer number of words. So these things is important in here. And here public is because the output is already called as a string, so here we need to have a input. The output is equal to input, because we need that input to call to something else. And here is a string remove num alphabets, and this is replace all, because and here this is why after all these things it will become like this. For the original sentence becomes something changes, because you can see if I here the backwards slash s is equal to space. If I deleted these things and I run it, it will become like this, all stick together. And here the capital letters, if I put an S on it, it will appear as the replacement of S. Saturday, other things as well, but other things that have the S or has the sentence head letter have the S, it will appear. If not, it will be disappear. So let's take the things back on its place. So here the public string lowercase need to have the output of call to the lowercase base. We need it call again from here, but we won't be call again from here for algebra, because it just need to have one to here, or else it will have error, right? You will have error. You just set something class interface or in your number expected, because it is one of a class for them to run. Here let's continue. Here the calculated word integer, calculate word integer, because we need to add some numbers. And there's the string word array output dot split, and here is because we need to count the words, but not count the space area as well. If we didn't count the space as well, it will stick together, it become one word. Let me show you. Here I just comment it. Comment wrong thing, or the object want to display in font become error. So, oh yes, you need to have the output, because we have the output in here. You just return the output, but we do not call out the output, so we return the things that we return. We need to still need to put it in, just like the return output that things is still in raw. So things that we return, we need to put it to, you need to call it again on other things. So okay, just like this. So we didn't have the chance to try it. So just it will come to just it will come the space and one word space one word. That's how it counts. So number of word is equal to word array dot length. Length is the literally the length is, because it's in this it will count a 1 2 3 4 5 and plus until the end of it, and will return the number of world. So in here the public void displaying for the method name and system out print, it will print the output here, and it will print the output of our thing, because there's it. And here the number of words, integer doc2 string number of words, it will call the things in here. That means it will count the number of words that we insert in. It will return the answer back to you, as well as the output, because we have output the function, the formula in here. So the things we insert, it will count it. It will have apply the function on it as well. And here, this is the word, the keyword in the Java. This is to, it can let you call out the things. You can use the keyword to avoid naming conflicts in the methods, and it's a reference variable that refers to the current object. That means it will not confuse it. If you didn't put this dot on it, it will the program, it will confuse. Just like just like a is equal to a, and how the program will know you want this is equal to this or this is equal to this when you need it to return something. So you need put this dot, it will know. So all this things that you define, that you have the method of that is equal to the new things that you wanted. So that is how this keyword works. And here are the main methods. Function is from calling from the class function. Call the function in here. Object 1 is equal to new function. This is the input that we insert in, and yeah, just like this keyword, the object 1 object is also can call. If you have this, if you call the class name, and here this is the method name that we have up here. So I call it one by one. It will begin to loop. So from this, we call out the sentence, the words, call, and we begin to from here started to get into the formulas. So here it began to count the A to Z. It will count the replace and the output again to clarify the things you want in the program as well. And here they start to count the words, the number of it, and here it will print out the output and until here. So it's a little complex about my explanation because I really don't know how to use my own word to explain, but I only know when you do it, you know it. So this is my explanation about this. So thank you.